In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Canva to Squarespace. If you want to place a Canva design onto your Squarespace site, the process is actually very simple once you know where to click. We'll start inside Canva, grab the correct share link, and then move over to Squarespace to embed it properly on your page. First, open the Canva design you want to add to your website. In the top area of the Canva editor, click on Share. This is where Canva gives you options for sending, publishing, or linking to your design. For this method, we want to use the shareable link so Squarespace can display the design. Next, click Copy Link. Before you move on, take a quick moment to make sure the link settings are correct. The design needs to be set so people with the link can view it. If it isn't set to view access, your embed may not work properly, or visitors to your site may not be able to see the content. So confirm that the permission is set to can view and then copy the link. Once that's done, head over to Squarespace and open the page where you want the Canva design to appear. In the page editor, click Add Block. This allows you to insert different kinds of content into your layout, such as text, images, videos, or embeds. After clicking Add Block, type embed into the search area. This helps you quickly find the correct block without scrolling through the full list of content options. When you see the embed block appear, click on it to add it to the page. Now that the block is inserted, click the pencil icon to edit it. This opens the settings for the embed, so you can tell Squarespace what content you want to display there. In the field provided, paste the Canva link you copied earlier. After pasting the link, Squarespace should be able to use that embed source on your page. This is the key step that connects your Canva design to your website content. If needed, give it a moment to load and preview. At this point, you can continue adjusting the placement of the block on your page so it fits nicely with the rest of your design. It's also a good idea to preview the page to make sure the Canva content displays the way you expect. And that's it. That's how to add Canva to Squarespace using an embed block, starting with a share link from Canva and pasting it directly into Squarespace.